Hey, welcome to my AI mini course review. Today, I'm going to show you how this powerful tool lets you create and sell AI-powered courses effortlessly without any tech skills or prior experience. And here's the exciting part. You don't need to spend weeks writing content, recording videos, or figuring out complicated platforms. Just enter your details, and AI does the work for you. Stick around because I'll also break down all the upgrades, OTOs, so you know exactly what's inside before making a decision. If you're new here, welcome. I've spent the last 6 years mastering affiliate marketing and SEO. My goal is to help you find the best strategies and tools to make money online. If that's something you're interested in, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. And here's a bonus. I've put together exclusive bonuses that will help you maximize your results with AI mini course. Grab them using my link below before they're gone. What is AI mini course? AI mini course is a cloud-based AI tool that lets you create and sell mini courses in any niche on complete autopilot. It's designed for coaches, marketers, content creators, and entrepreneurs who want to turn knowledge into income without creating courses from scratch. No content writing, no problem. The AI handles everything, making it beginner-friendly and hassle-free. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. AI mini course gives you powerful tools, but your success depends on how you use them. If you take action, this can be a game changer. Standout features that caught my eye: checkmark, AI-powered course creation. Enter a topic, and AI generates a full, structured mini course in seconds. Quizzes and certifications. AI auto-generates tests and issues certificates to boost credibility. AI voiceovers and transcriptions. Convert text-based courses into engaging videos with AI voiceovers. Done for you micro course templates. 50 plus ready-to-use course templates for instant launches. Multi-language support. AI translates courses into 50 plus languages for a global audience. Auto-selling system. AI suggests platforms and publishes your courses for passive income. How it works. Super simple. One login and start a new project. Enter your course topic and details. AI generates the content instantly. 3. Customize. Preview and publish. Sell your course or use it for lead generation. No tech skills needed. Just follow the simple steps and you're good to go. Now let me quickly show you a demo so you can see it in action.
If you don't pay attention to what I'm about to show you, you will regret it, because in the next few minutes, you're going to see something so powerful, so effortless, so insanely profitable, that it's going to make everything you've ever tried online look like a complete waste of time. I'm talking about an AI-powered system that takes any knowledge you have and instantly turns it into a money-making digital product without you lifting a finger. No recording, no writing, no marketing. Just enter a topic, and AI creates, sells, and monetizes for you on autopilot. Sounds crazy? Good, because this is the future of making money online. And right now, you're about to see it in action. For years, people have been told the same tired, outdated advice. If you want to make money online, build a course. Yeah? Good luck with that, because here's the truth. Most people never finish their course. They get stuck planning, scripting, recording, editing, spending months working on something that never even launches. And even if they do launch, nobody buys. Why? Because they don't know how to sell. They don't know how to get traffic. They don't know how to make people want what they're offering. And that's why most people fail. But what if there was a smarter way? What if AI did all the work for you? The content, the videos, the sales page, the marketing, even finding the buyers. Wouldn't that be game-changing? Hey, my name is Love Neat, and on behalf of my team, I'm happy to introduce to you AI Mini Course, the first AI-powered knowledge monetization system that does everything for you. It turns any topic into a fully automated micro-course without you recording a single video. It generates voiceovers, slides, playbooks, and digital products in seconds. It builds a high-converting sales page optimized to sell automatically. It finds buyers, attracts traffic, and even inserts high-paying affiliate offers so you make money from day one. This isn't just AI helping you. This is AI running the entire business for you. Think about that. No effort, no tech skills, no waiting. Just pure profit on autopilot. So imagine this. You wake up, log in to AI mini course, and type a simple idea. Maybe it's how to close $10,000 clients, or the 7-day fat loss blueprint, or TikTok domination for beginners. Within seconds, AI builds the entire micro course for you. It creates the videos, the voiceovers, the sales page, the branding, and before you even finish your coffee, you have a ready-to-sell product that people want to buy. No months of planning, no overthinking, no struggling. It's done. And while you go about your day, AI is bringing in traffic. AI is selling for you. AI is making sure money hits your account. And the best part? You own it. You keep 100% of the profits. Right now, people are using AI mini course to make money while they sleep. Someone with zero experience launched their first training and made $997 in 48 hours. Another user repurposed their old blog posts and turned them into a micro course that's selling on autopilot. One guy used AI mini course to create and sell 5 digital products in a single day without touching a camera or writing a word. This isn't theory. It's happening right now. And now, it's your turn. But here's the thing. This is a first-to-market opportunity. Once AI mini course goes mainstream, everyone is going to want in, which means this special offer won't be available forever. If you wait, you'll miss the biggest opportunity of 2025. You'll watch others launch AI-powered digital products while you're still stuck figuring things out manually. And by then, it'll be too late. So you have 2 choices right now. Option 1, ignore this and keep struggling, wasting time on things AI could do for you in seconds. Or option 2, let AI do the work for you. Let AI create, sell, and monetize for you starting today. This isn't just another tool. It's a full-blown business in a box. And for the first time ever, it's fully powered by AI. Click the button below before this opportunity disappears, and let AI start making money for you.
Upgrades, OTOs. What's available? Once you grab the main product, you'll see some powerful upgrade options. Here's a quick rundown. OTO 1, AI Mini Course Pro 67, unlocks advanced features like smart personalization, AI gamification, and white label branding. OTO 2, AI Mini Course Unlimited 97, removes all limits, create unlimited courses, students and AI voiceovers. OTO 3, AI Course Marketplace 97, launch your own AI-powered course marketplace with built-in traffic and payment integration. OTO 4, AI Certification Suite $77, add blockchain-powered certificates and charge premium prices for certification courses. OTO 5, Reseller License $197, sell AI mini course as your own and keep 100% profits. OTO 6, AI Mini Course Agency $297, start your own course creation agency with 50 client seats and a done-for-you agency website. OTO 7, White Label License $497, fully rebrand AI mini course and launch your own AI-powered SaaS business. Pick the ones that fit your needs and skip the rest. What I love about AI mini course: perfect for beginners, no technical skills required. AI does 90% of the work, making course creation fast and easy. Multiple ways to profit: sell courses, use them for lead generation, or offer as a service. What could be better? It's not for creating full-length, in-depth courses. This is for quick, digestible micro courses. Some advanced features require an upgrade. Final verdict: should you get it? If you're looking for an easy, AI-powered way to start a profitable online course business or just want to monetize your knowledge, AI Mini Course is a must-have. With zero monthly fees and powerful AI automation, It's an absolute steal. Grab it using my link below, and don't forget, my exclusive bonuses are waiting for you inside Warrior Plus. Thanks for checking out my AI mini course review. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next one.